Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tuts. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change your phone number on Line Messenger app. Okay, so when you created your account in beginning time, that time you must have given the phone number, and after that you realize that you want to change your phone number. Then how can you change this? Watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So now let's go to your Line Messenger. So I'm just gonna click my Line Messenger app. Wait for a while, it takes few times to, and this is the interface of Line. So now click here, top right corner on your screen, it's called setting icon. Just click on this and then click profile. This part, just click on this, and then phone number. Here you can see I already created my account through this number. So this option, you just click on this, okay, and then continue. So I register with this number, and which number you are gonna put as your new number. Okay, I'm just deny. So you have to give that number here, okay, and after that click next, and uh, it will verify your account. Okay, so when you put your number, then your new number uh, get notification and send code. Okay, the code you have to put the OTP, it's 6 digit, then you have to give that on box and click save, and that time it will be saved as your new number. This time I don't want to change my number, so you can try it. Okay friend, today is Noman. Thank you for watching this video.